What is forbearance? Let me remind you again. What is forbearance? Forbearance is when you let go for something somebody has done wrong to you, when you have the ability to respond. When you have the ability to reply or do the same or worse to that person, you let it go. And this is why the Messenger of Allah said, he said, who is the strongest from amongst you? They said, it's that person, it's that person, it's that person. He said, no, it's not that person. You know, they were talking about wrestlers and fighters. He said, not that person. He said, the strongest in this deen, not in your definition, not in your vernacular outside. In this deen is that person that when he gets angry, he can control his anger. When he's angry, he can control his anger. This is the strongest person in the definition of the deen. That's the definition that Allah goes by, but not by your definition. He can beat this person, you know, if any. See, the society that we live in, the nature of forbearance is that you let go when you can't reply. The society that we live in is that you're never gonna let go, because you know we come up with statements that are, bro, no, it's personal. It's personal. And because now it's personal, I'm not gonna let it go. And the Messenger of Allah never, you look at the seerah of the Prophet ﷺ, he never ever got angry for his own sake. Never got angry. But for us, our definition of manliness is some warped. Our definition of where we get angry is warped. And this is why, brothers, the bigger person is that person that when they are wronged and they have the ability to reply, they show forbearance. In the eyes of Allah, you are the biggest person.